Hello everyone, and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the DirectX Diagnostic Tool to troubleshoot common system issues related to DirectX. And now let's get started. Many system problems are actually tied to DirectX components. Fortunately, Windows provides a built-in tool to help you diagnose and fix these issues, the DirectX Diagnostic Tool, often referred to as DxD. You can launch this tool easily using the Run window. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog. In the Open field, type DxD and then click OK. The tool will then begin checking for digital signatures and running various diagnostics. Please wait until the progress bar is fully complete. Once the initial checks are finished, you can explore the different tabs to get more detailed information. Navigate to the Display tab, and if there are no issues, it will indicate no problems. You can also check Display 2 if you have multiple displays connected. Then, proceed to the Sound tab to verify that no sound-related problems are detected. Finally, examine the Input tab for any issues with your input devices. The tool comprehensively checks all your input and output devices, as well as system integrity concerning digital signatures. This confirms that everything is functioning correctly. You can also access the DirectX Diagnostic Tool by simply searching for it in the Windows search bar. Just type DirectX Diagnostic Tool and select the application. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.